dito naman guys, gumawa tayo ng Chinese fried rice. First thing, naggawa tayo ng itlog na omelette. Katapos niya, i-slice natin ng maliliit. Tapos nag-fry tayo ng sibuyas at bawang, durog. At hinalo natin ng maigi. At ilagay natin yung carrots na small, nag-slice tayo. At itong green peas at capsicum and spring onion leaves. Yan lang guys. Tapos i-add na natin yung itlog. At lagyan lang natin ng soya sauce, oyster sauce, and truffles oil to become nice and yummy-licious Chinese fried rice. So that's it guys. This is so simply food and not hard to cook. This is so easy how to cook fried rice, Chinese fried rice. Yan guys, already done. Thank you so much for watching.